Hey guys, and welcome to a new video here on Phloshop. My name is Joseph. Thanks for taking the time to stop by this channel. If you find this video interesting, please leave a like and also subscribe to join the family and click the bell icon to be notified of all my new videos. This series started as a recreation of an image the model saw on Fenty Beauty's Instagram page. I'll put links to the pages of the model and the makeup artist down below for those who want to check them out. I shot it with my Yongnuo LED light through a scrim, and because it's not a very strong light and I still wanted details in the image, I had to push my ISO to 800 and drop my shutter speed to 1/125 in order to be able to shoot at f5. I mostly shoot my beauty images between f9 and f16, but with the light I was using, I had to sacrifice and stop it down to f5. I'll leave the images at the end of the video for you to look at. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and if you did learn something, let me know in the comments down below. If you're going to try this out, let me know how it goes as well, and if you have done this and you probably would be doing things differently, don't hesitate to let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.